welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Dalals and chain in an Animal Husbandry Department exploit and cheat dairy farmers under Kaamdhenu. Low breed cows sold at exorbitant cost at cattle mela. Watch expose. Government Employees Association on token pen down and tool down strike on 18th August for pay parity. Say will press for 7th pay scales if centre enforces. PWD, a home sweet home for many technical staff. 372 staffers not seen transfers for more than 15 years. 3 staffers in same office and division for 35 years. Watch report. Report in Assembly reveals major involvement of locals in drug trade than the foreigners. Watch report. And Rakhi bonding of brother and sister Raksha Bandhan celebrated all over the state. Now the news in details. Kaamdhenu scheme meant to boost dairy farming is facing Dalals. There is an organized racket associated with the operations under Kaamdhenu. A chain of veterinary doctors, officers and the contractors is linked in the deals. Substandard cows are sold to dairy farmers in the name of quality ones. The cows either don't yield expected milk or they die and the farmers has to bear the brunt. Watch exclusive report on the Copper Deck Kettle Mela, how the Dalals take away the cream leaving dairy farmers with nothing.
Prudent sting operation Rakta Charitra on the private agent linked with the blood sample and medical test in GMC had exposed health department and the level of corruption in the state premier institution. Authorities took serious cognizance. Now it's a second one. Ironically, this time too from Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar's department, the Animal Husbandry. The operation raises serious question marks on the functioning and productivity of ambitious Kaamdhenu scheme. Scheme provides subsidy to dairy farmers to buy hybrid cows, but the Dalals in the chain have defeated its purpose. Prudent visited the cattle mela at Koparde in Varpai with a hidden camera to unearth another scandal. This is government dairy farm at Koparde. Dairy farmers visit the mela with high expectations of buying hybrid cows. Cattle mela is held every Saturday. Price of cows are displayed on a board based on the milk productivity. Department's officers, doctors and contractors finalize the deal. They are the one who fix the prices. This is the price chart. Cow yielding 15 to 16 litre of milk is available for 49,000. Cow yielding 17 to 18 litre of milk is for 59,000. And cow yielding more than 20 litre milk is available for 70,000. After having a look at the rates, Prudent team approached the one who decides the deals of these cows. He maintained that the rates were fixed, no bargaining, and if cows were found to be substandard, no replacement or exchange. He said cow yielding 20 litres of milk would cost 70,000 rupees.
मैं रेट नहीं बोलता जी, कमेटी रेट लगाता है. हमारा रेट क्या बोलो? कमेटी रेट लगाता है. कमेटी रेट लगाता है. हमारा रेट कुछ नहीं. हमारा रेट कोड करता है. हम लोग उसके बाद उन लोग ये करते हैं.
रफली कितना पड़ेगा? मेरे पास सब वही है. मेरे वो छोटा दूध देने वो बाद में लफड़ा होता है. 3 लीटर के बोला तो सब मोर देन 70 के ऊपर ही जाएगा पूरा. सही. वो आपने लाके दिया है ना किसी को? 68 अब 68 कुछ ना 70 के ऊपर ही जाएगा. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा ना? जी. आपको डॉक्टर भी बोलना पड़ेगा. क्या उतना लीटर का चाहिए? हाँ, 1-2 लीटर हम लोग एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. मान लो ड्रास्टिक चेंज हुआ तो कुछ है इतना पैसा डाल के कुछ. मान लो 20-22 का बोले, वो लोग भी बोले हमको पता नहीं गाय का कुछ. अचानक कुछ 14 पे नहीं तो इस गाय का चरा आया तो कुछ रिप्लेसमेंट का कुछ. रिप्लेसमेंट कुछ नहीं, अभी तक किसी को नहीं करेगा. हम जाके क्या करेगा सर? हम जाके किसको करेगा रिप्लेसमेंट बोलो?
Prudent dialed cow sellers from Kolhapur and Baramati to know the difference in the prices. These are the prices for cows at Kolhapur and Baramati, from where they are being transported. Cow yielding 15 to 16 liters of milk is available for 25,000 in Kolhapur and Baramati. Cow yielding 17 to 18 liter of milk is available for 40,000 and cow yielding more than 20 liter milk is available for 50,000. This clearly showed that cows were sold at much higher price than compared to ones at Kolhapur and Baramati. The difference in prices or margin of these dalals ranged up to 25,000 rupees. We inquired what was the transportation cost of cows imported from neighboring states. The seller said it's almost 5,000 per cow. If 10 to 12 cows are transported at a time to Goa, then the price still lowers. If this is the case, how come these cows become costlier by 20 to 25,000 rupees in Goa?
18 लिटरची म्हणजे त्यापैकी जर चांगल्या गाई घ्यायच्या म्हणलं तर 45च्या अशा लेवलला घ्यावं लागणार बघा.
45,000 ना?
45 काहीतरी वरती बसणार तुम्हाला सांगायचं.
हो बरोबर.
म्हणजे गायींच्या क्वालिटीवर राहणार. हा
बरोबर.
काय त्या पद्धतीची गाय असली तर सर्वसाधारण 50 बी द्यावे लागतील. अशी म्हणजे हे आहे त्याचे. गायींची जशी क्वालिटी जशी भेटेल तसे तुम्हाला हे करता येईल.
चांगल्या क्वालिटीची कितीला भेटणार?
चांगली एकदम जर घ्यायची झाली तर 50च्या वरती लागणार.
म्हणजे आणि 16-17 लिटरची कशी पडणार मला गाय?
ती सर्वसाधारण 40-45 अशी पडेल. कोल्हापूर नाही डिग्री साखर कारखान्यापाशी त्या एरियात असं फिरून घेतोय आम्ही.
आणि मला ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉस्ट किती पडणार इथे यायला? म्हणजे किती भाडं वगैरे काय होणार?
भाडं 407 मधनं 5 गाडी येते. तुम्हाला सांगायचं 5 गाडीला सर्वसाधारण वायफायला 7,500-8,000 रुपये बसतील.
5,000 रुपये वगैरे.
7 किंवा 8 एवढं.
7 किंवा 8. म्हणजे 20 लिटरची वगैरे 20 ते 21 लिटरची गाय वगैरे मला भेटणार.
20च्या जर अशा लेवलच्या वरच्या घ्यायचं तर तुम्हाला सर्वसाधारण 50च्या वरनं घ्यावं लागतील.
50,000ला. ओके.
गाय बघू नाही जो चांगली गाय घ्यायची म्हणलं की चांगले पैसे आहेत. गाय घ्यायची म्हणजे 20,000पासून बे, पण गाय तशी पाहिजे ना, दूध दिलं पाहिजे तिने, असं पाहिजे. हो
मला एक सांगा 15 लिटरची वगैरे कितीला पडणार? म्हणजे अंदाज तरी सांगा ना.
गाय आता 1 नंबर आणि क्वालिटीची गाय म्हणलं का नाही लाखापर्यंत आहे बघा. आणि थोडीशी जातीला कमी, रेंजला कमी, दूध देणार जे असतं ती पण जातीला कमी असली का नाही थोडी किंमत कमी होती. वास आहे तिथं.
म्हणजे काय किंमत तरी सांगा.
बिल असे गाय बघून 50,000पासून 1 लाखापर्यंत गाय आहे या.
50,000ची गाय किती देणार दूध?
अंदाज तरी पण 20 लिटरची असणं चालणार. होती गाय जास्त देणार आहे का?
50,000ची. ओके. आणि 15 लिटर वगैरे ती कमी असणार ना?
As per the rate chart of government's Kaamdhenu scheme, a hybrid cow should not cost more than 40,000 rupees. Goan dairy farmers cannot import cows from neighboring state independently. Cows have to be mandatorily purchased from cattle mela. Department says it does not procure the cattle. Besides this, the department has no agreement with the cow sellers. Later, Prudent inquired with other dairy farmers who come to cattle mela to buy the cows. Look what this dairy farmer says. He is dejected. He had purchased 5 cows from government farm. Out of 5, 3 cows died. This farmer faces loss of lakhs now.
तीन मेला कशा 49,000 घेतात. 3 मेला नुकसान तुमका 1.5 लाख नुकसान झालं तुमका.
Goa Dairy does not pay enough to dairy farmers. Government enforced its Kaamdhenu to boost the dairy farming, but the officers, doctors and the contractors are all set to make life miserable for farmers with their scandalous deals. The affairs are mismanaged. Cows worth 40,000 are being sold at 60,000. Substandard, low-yielding cows get good deals. Dairy farmer cries a foul, while dalals from the chain take away the cream. Farmer and the Kaamdhenu is at the mercy of dalals. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Why step motherly treatment to some of the categories and upgrading the pay scales? Raising this question after protest, Goa Government Employees Association has announced token pen down and tool down strike on 18th August. They say if the union government implements 7th pay commission scales, then the Goa Government Employees Association will also press for it.
In addition to 6th pay due for तुमी जर दिता थोड्यांक दिता तर बाकीच्यांक कित्याक अन्याय करप तांकां कित्याक स्टेटमेंट मदरली ट्रिटमेंट कित्याक तो आमचो तें आमची मागणी आमचें न्यायीक आसा सारकें सेकंड फेज आमचो पेन डावन टूल डावन आसा जो आमचो 18 तारखेक जातलो ह्या म्हयन्याचे 18th ऑफ दीस ऑगस्ट मंडे एक दीस एज अ टोकन एट द मोमेंट वर्किंग कमिटी एंड तालुका कमिटी हैज डिसाइडेड टू ऑब्जर्व 1 day token strike on 18th pen down pull down and further we will decide after that working committee and taluka committee will decide the future course of action आमचे पे कमिशन हे आमकां कमिशन पे स्केल आमी दिवच्योच पडटल्यो अशें खंयचोय राज्य ना किंवा ताका पे कमिशन दिना म्हणपाक शकत ना आनी समज त्या वेळार येता जाल्यार मागीर आमकां आमी कितें करपाक तें ठरयतलेंच न्ही देर इज अनदर वे
DA पळय आसता ती बेस्ड ऑन इन्फ्लेशन जरी तर गव्हर्मेंटान आतां 1996चो पगार प्रायस इन्फ्लेशन जरी तर रिस्टोर केले 10 पयशांनी वो 4 आण्यांनी पाव मेळोंक लागलो वो 50 रुपीजांनी प्रायम लोकेशनाचेर जरी तर स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया मेळोंक लागले प्लॉट मेळोंक लागले जाल्यार आमकां कित्याक जाय 6th or 7th पे कमिशन वो DA जाय आमकां तेन्नाचो पगार लेगून दिल्यार चलता पूण गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जेन्ना कंट्रोल जायना प्रायस इन्फ्लेशन ताका लागून DA आनी पगार वाडोवचो पडटा सो वी कॅनॉट बी ब्लेम फॉर डिमांडिंग हायर पे स्केल्स or enhancement of DA.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.